Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change font size in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to change font size or text size in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages. And over here you can see the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here scroll down and you can see there is the font size option available for us over here just below the media visibility. Tap on font size and this kind of box will appear, and you can change your font size to either small or large depending upon which you want on chats. And after deciding that, guys, open up a chat box and you will be able to see the text size are more larger now. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change font size in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.